All right, everybody. So on this side of the leg, remember we haven't worked this side. So remember we did the quads, hamstring, or a little bit of hamstrings on the medial side of the leg. Now for outside, remember on that side we did both thumbs. We worked into the quads, the IT, and then gluteus minimus and medius on the lateral side of the body. Remember, you can do your punches if you want to. So remember, punching, this leg is forward, this leg is back, and so now you have weight against you. And so you're back, you're just using your shoulders more than just throwing a punch. So you're just shoulder, 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 without using your energy. Because if you use your body weight plus energy, then you're good. You don't run out of it. But if you're using just straight force, you're going to run out of energy real quick. So you're pretty much just jostling those muscles. IT band, thumbs, all the way to the kneecap. We're not going to do the psoas on this part, but we'll make sure she gets right. So this side, we're going to go on the lower leg. All right, so lower leg, both thumbs. I'm going to work the lateral side first. So I'm working right in here at the tibialis anterior. So tibialis anterior, when she flexes that foot forward or backwards, she's flexing, it pops right on out. So see, hers is perfect. And then she relaxes. Right, so that's what I'm pressing into. It's not so much the extensor side of the leg. You can work the extensor side, but I'm mainly loosening up that muscle in between the interosseous membrane and all that, between the tibula and the fibula. Remember, in between it's like a spider web, and that muscle is encased by that thick connective spider web, which causes those shin splints that people hate so much because it's really, really painful. And that's pretty much like the muscle or fibers trying to bust through or cause micro tears in that interosseous membrane. And it's very, very painful. Like a rock hitting your windshield when a truck, you're on 495 trying to go home, and you got this damn dump truck that spits a damn rock at you and hits that windshield, ping, and makes a little small crack. But you know how you ride around for a while, like, oh, it's all right, I can get through it. And then it just keeps spider webbing, keeps getting worse because you keep hitting bumps. And that's what the interosseous is trying to do, is spider web. We don't want that. And this is pretty much all I do for the lower leg. If their lower leg isn't waving, like, hey, how you doing, Queen of England, then you ain't doing the work. Extensor side. You're just grabbing those calves. And when I grab, I'm like a swimmer, like grabbing, grabbing, grabbing. This hand is going to always be on their quads because it's like a bracer. When this braces, this releases a little bit more. So when it's not, it's like all the muscles have to contract because it's like, oh, okay, these are getting worked on, but we're not. So it's almost like a distraction. When you're telling somebody, you're talking to somebody before the doctor sticks that needle in your arm or butt or whatever, depending on what case it is, for low back pain, they'll stick you in the butt. They will talk to you and distract you first, and then they work on the area, the affected area. So you're going to do the same thing. And see, I'm going up, I'm pulling that ligament off of that kneecap so it can stretch and reset. And that's pretty much what I do for the lower leg. It's easy. Don't get caught into sports massage where it has to be a whole 2-hour event on one person. It does not. It's just very, very, very quick, rapid movements. get the blood going, and that's it. Get them off the table.